Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is savannahladell. If you are new, if you are returning, then welcome back. And today's video, we're going to be doing a hair tutorial on my big curly bun with baby hairs. We're going to fleek the baby hairs. So yeah, stay tuned if you're interested in seeing how I got this look. And also make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that button right now, press pause, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. And go ahead and hit the like button. Follow me on Instagram. My name is savannahladell. Here are the tools and products that you'll need to achieve this look. Fine tooth comb, brush, toothbrush, hair tie, bobby pins, oil sheen, water, eco styler gel, got to be styling glue, and hairspray. Okay, so I started off with blowed out hair. I washed my hair and I blew it out. I blew it out. So now I'm just kind of combing through it, getting all the kinks out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush, get those BBs, get those naps. And I'm just trying to brush it in the direction which is going to be on top of my head. I'm just prepping my hair for the bun basically. So that's what I'm doing here, just getting my hair to kind of work with me. And I'm just going to tie that up real quick. This is not official. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my products. So this is just some oil sheen. I like to spray a lot of oil sheen on my hair, just so that it doesn't look dry, obviously. And I'm gonna be putting a lot of product in my hair, so I find when I put oil in it, it helps it not get all cakey and flaked up. Now I'm just spraying some water around the edges, because when we fleek our baby hairs, our fake baby hairs, it's gonna help with that. So now I'm just brushing everything into place. Again, just kind of prepping it, getting it ready for the bun. And my hair is like really thick, so it's a task. It's a job, man. Now I'm gonna use the Eco Styler gel, and what I'm doing is just taking my time and putting big amounts of it around the perimeter of my head, especially getting those edges, those BBs, because we want those smooth. So really just take your time with that, especially if you have hair like me. And I don't want any flyaways. I mean, it happens sometimes, but I just really like to make sure everything is gonna stay in place. So that's basically what I'm doing. Now I'm about to get it ready to actually put it in the bun. So I'm getting my ponytail holder, and I recommend, I think it's Goody. I think that's the brand I usually grab, and they're really thick. So if you have thick hair, you know the deal. When you try to put your hair in a bun, the ponytail holder just breaks. So I get these, and they're the ouchless ones, so they don't pull your hair out. And then they're also strong enough to hold some thick ass hair. So now we're finally putting it in the bun. I put my bun on pretty tight. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because remember, this is gonna get covered. So there it is. Spraying more oil sheen, because again, I don't want it to get flaky. And then I'm just smoothing out some edges that I see are kind of flyaways. I just like to perfect those first. So I'm just putting some more of the Eco Styler gel. And then also just brushing those, smoothing everything out. Now, get your hair ready. This is just a pack of, I think it was, oh my God, what's the brand? I forgot the brand, but I got it from the beauty supply store. It was just some curly tracks. And yeah, I just got that. I think they were 20 bucks. And what I'm doing, I'm taking my bobby pin and you're gonna pin the track down with your bun, basically. Make sure your track and your bun are attached. And take your time with this, because you want to make sure that this is on secure. For sure, that's a really important part. So take your time. So I got it on. Now all we're gonna do is wrap that track around the bun. You can, if you want, you can put, like, as you wrap, you can put bobby pins down, but I don't. I just put it down from the beginning, and then you'll see at the end, I'll put one more bobby pin down, and that'll be it. So just wrap it around and take your time with this. The hair can get kind of tangled up, so just kind of fix it as you go, and make sure you're wrapping it around tight. So now we're at the end of the track, and we're just gonna bobby pin that down into the bun so that it's all secure. Now I am taking out a little bit of the hair because, girl, we don't want those tracks to show. We have to cover that up because that's not cute. So I grab a nice amount of hair, and all I'm doing is wrapping it around the tracks. I'm wrapping it pretty tight. And with this, I don't even bobby pin it down. I just wrap it so tight, and you'll see in a second, I'm gonna grab some hairspray, and I'm just gonna spray that wrap that I did down, and it always holds. I never have any issues with it. Now for the bun. So I like to stretch out the bun and then twist the ends, because that's the end that I'm gonna bobby pin. And just take your time with this, because you're gonna have to like shape your bun. It might look kind of weird, but you're gonna be able to fix it. So I just take another bobby pin, and I'm just actually creating the bun now. So you see my bun looks a little weird. It looks a little janky. So we are going to fix that. Just take your time. Like I said, I can see some of my hair, my real hair peeking out, but when I got in a closer mirror, I kind of fixed that. So yeah, just take your time and fix anything you see. Shape your bun. I'm oiling it down again. I love that oil sheen. Now I am pulling out my fake baby hairs, my adult hairs. My edges look kind of damaged. But anyways, I'm just taking a toothbrush, not used, and I'm just taking the Eco Styler gel, and I'm just pulling out my adult hairs. And now I just took a really nice amount of the gel, and I'm just kind of saturating my edges in it and just kind of pulling them out still. And now I'm also just using that toothbrush to perfect some of my edges. If I see that they're not that smooth or I have some flyaways, I'll just take my time and fix those with the toothbrush. It's a little bit more detailed. And I just use my fingers to kind of smooth it down. Now I'm using the Got To Be Glue gel, and I saw Tiara Walker use this in her high. She did she did a tutorial on her high ponytail, and she used this on her edges, and she said it like helped your edges stay down. So I decided to use this, and now I put it all over my edges. Now I'm just really creating those baby hairs, like shaping it, because you don't want them just to be there. So I'm kind of swoop-a-dooping them. And I really love this. The only thing I would say is just be careful. Don't put too much of it on, because it can leave like a residue. But if you do see some residue left, like just put a little bit of water on it, and I feel like it gets it off. So I really like that. So I'm glad that I got that little tip from her. It actually works. And my baby hair stayed in place, because that's one issue I had, was like my hair looks good at first, and then by the end of the day, my hair is just curled back up. Anyways, now I'm just putting the Got To Be glue on it, perfecting everything. Now I'm just kind of showing you guys what it looks like. We're still not done. See that little piece hanging out? Okay, so now it's time to tie our hair down, because you want everything to lay nice. So just place it where you need it to be. I'm really focusing it on the edges. And the longer you can leave your scarf on, I feel like the better your hair is gonna stay and lay. So this is the end result. This is what it looks like. This is how I get my high curly bun with extensions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.